Vlogmas Day 5, how are you? Hi, happy Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name's Sarah. I have a YouTube channel. I'm a junior at the University of Michigan. If you like this video, or even if you don't, please go check out another one. Give me a second shot. And if you do like it, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to see more content from me. Make sure you turn on the bells if you don't want to miss anytime I post, because YouTube doesn't just send you notifications. You have to ask for them. So without further ado, I believe this is Vlogmas video 5. For those of you who haven't caught up, I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas because I had finals and I was in craziness for a little while. And so today I'm gonna do an updated like shower, skincare type of routine. I think I posted one in summer, but I've added some new products. I've done a little bit of it already, but I figured I would you guys along. So basically you can see my hair is still wet because I just took a shower. But so lately I have been using the Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment line. This is the conditioner because when I came home they were out of shampoo, and so I when they don't have Not Your Mother's, I do switch to the John Frieda Go Blonder Sheer Blonde. So this is the shampoo and conditioner that I just used, but I usually do use both from this line. It's a little bit less expensive and I really like their conditioner better than this conditioner. Yeah. It doesn't really, I don't see a huge color difference, but I do feel like, especially in the winter, my blonde's a little less brassy when I use that collection. And then I used to use Garnier Fructis, this like green leave-in conditioner, but it's been a little heavy on my short hair especially, and I haven't been showering as often and not been in the chlorine. Not that I'm not cleanly, but like you're not supposed to shower your hair all the time. So I have been trying out this Garnier Fructis Pure Clean, and it's like a detangler and air dry, which I always air dry my hair. I rarely use heat on it. I do not blow dry it, like ever, unless I'm in a rush. I might blow dry it on Christmas, but I just don't take my blow dryer out. I don't leave it out, so I don't use it. And yeah, my hair is like light and I just like play with it and stuff like that. And I really like how it's been turning out. I really liked it. It was soft yesterday. I'm not so sure what's going on right here, but hopefully when it dries, it'll kind of be fine. But yeah, so that's what I've been using. For skincare, I love my Sephora collection Duo. And so I somehow managed to misplace my Duo between my car and my house, like bringing stuff in, because I had it, like I have 2 pairs at Kathy's. So I had been using the 2 products and I took them from her house because they were fuller, and somehow I lost them. So I went to Sephora the other day in the vlog that is up. So if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. But so this Duo, I wash my face usually in the shower, and I use it before bed and in the morning. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Love my mom. Okay, we're gonna finish this really quick. But so Sephora collection face wash, use it in the shower. I use it with the little scrub dubber. I got a pack of 2 from Target, but also you can get just the oh my lord. Okay, so use this guy in the shower with this little scrub dub. Have a pack of 2 from Target. Have one at Kathy's, one at mine in Michigan. Somehow was an idiot, forgot it. So now I have one at home, and you can get this individually at Sephora for $6. This guy I believe is about 10, and I think this guy's 6. They're super affordable, and I love that line, and they've been doing great things for my face. I feel clean. The moisturizer doesn't feel too heavy, and you can also use it as a makeup primer. They have one that's like moisturizing and one that's matte. So I don't know why I use quotes, but yeah. So this is also, by the way, my Set Active set. I'm wearing the pink one in the vlog that'll come up tomorrow. I kind of combine my vlog days because I don't do enough interesting. I spend too much of the day on the couch. I'm wearing my mango one, which is new. Super exciting. Anyway, so then in my shower, I was a little stressed because my dad and I got in a fight about a hedgehog. So I used my stress relief spray that my friend Brittany got me, but it's from Bath & Body Works. This is my favorite scent line by far. Huge fan. Highly recommend all of their essential oils stuff, but especially the stress relief, the eucalyptus and spearmint one. Huge fan. Actually, I'm gonna spray that right now. And it has this little like clippy guy, not like a lid, so it's easier. Yeah, let me just go. So this is like pillow spray, but I use it as like a room spray, or like if I want to take a eucalyptus shower, I spray it by the shower head as it's like going, and it's great. Okay. So then the other thing that I've been using is my 4th Ray Beauty. And so I haven't done this yet, so I'm going to do it with you guys. But so this is the Radiate Vitamin C Elixir. It's part of the Golden Hour set that I unboxed in my other unboxing video, which you're welcome to go watch. So you just take 2 to 3 drops on your fingers. I rub it between them, and then I just massage it into my skin on top of that Sephora moisturizer. So I wash my face in the morning and at night, and if I take a shower in the like not in the morning or at night, which is very rare, I also tend to do that. So sometimes I wash my face 3 times a day. Anytime I wash my face, I do try to put in a moisturizer, although I don't always do moisturizer and face milk, which is the next step, because I just feel like that's a little extra, and I'm not usually that nice. I'm not always have that much time, but so I always put a moisturizer on, but I only do this vitamin C like trio once a day, although sometimes I do use 3rd step, so whatever. But so I only do use the trio, try to only use the trio once a day, although if I'm doing makeup, not when I shower, I either put on more of this guy or more of the moisturizer, or I just use primer. But yeah, so I try to do the this has been so confusing: face wash, morning, night, shower, sometimes only twice, sometimes 3 times, depending on everything. Then I do a moisturizer of some kind. Sometimes I do the trio in the morning usually, and moisturize at night with the Sephora moisturizer. Sorry, it's taken me 8 years to get through this. But so I'm just gonna rub. This is the turmeric face milk. It's part of the vitamin C collection. So I just put 3 drops, one on my forehead, one on my cheek, on my other cheek, and I rub that in. I do my eyelids too, because Brooke Michio, I don't know if you guys watch her. I would if I were you. She's wonderful. I watch her. She does post great content and has just become a full-time YouTuber, so she's got lots to share. But so I do it on my eyelids too, because she got this like weird eczema thing on her eyelids, and like her makeup wasn't sitting right. Like you would think that like dry skin on your eyelids wouldn't be a big deal, but it is. So I make sure when I moisturize to bring it all the way. And then the last step of that vitamin C is the Glisten Up mist. And so I just, okay, so you can also use this as a setting spray with your makeup. So sometimes I do that, only when I really want to glimmer, because it gives it like a sheen. And sometimes it's just a little extra. And then the last piece of skincare that I really want to talk about was my Milk Makeup Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. It's wonderful. I love that it's in a stick. It makes it really portable, really like less messy. You just like rub it on, and so sometimes I'll do that before I shower, or just like before I wash my face at night. And it's just been great and super yummy. Yummy's the wrong word, but it's really like nice and hydrating and doesn't like dry out my skin too much, but also like helps to clean up some of the blackheads and things if I'm not doing great. So I really apologize for this lighting. It's kind of trash, but I hope you enjoyed this video with an updated like skincare slash body care routine. Oh, I should have talked about my lotions. Hang on. Oh my gosh, lies, you're not done with me. So the first thing is I use this bottle is disgusting because it's been around forever, but I use Vaseline's, the Cocoa Radiant lotion. I sometimes put Isle of Paradise drops in it. I just bought new Isle of Paradise drops because I'm out, and it's great. I love it. Does great things for my skin. Doesn't leave it feeling too like silky, but also not too sticky. Vaseline lotion. I also have on right now the berrybalm.com. I just ordered this on Cyber Monday, the Glossier triple trio pack, and I'm in love with all of them. So those are other products that I've been using in relation to like skincare, hair care, that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize for the lighting, for the craziness of yelling back and forth with my mom. I don't think I'm going to edit that out because I think it's funny. And I don't think I was swearing or being disrespectful. But yeah, so I have to go pick up my brother now, but if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your favorite skin product or hair product or skin product. Skin, hair, I don't know. Leave a comment on your favorite product. Let me see. Take a look, try it out, and maybe it'll make it in my next favorites. If you haven't already, please subscribe, join our girl gang, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss when I post. And I will see you tomorrow in my next Vlogmas video. Bye.